Good morning, everyone. We are back with some more vlogs today, and we are going to check out Michelin, one of the super popular vegetarian restaurants that has 1 Michelin star, and it's still affordable. Doesn't that sound amazing? This is the place. We're using Dianping to find the address, and then we're gonna order a cab using the Gaode map. It's a shitty day in Chengdu, and let's see what we're gonna do with it. Here. This is in a very nice area. Touristy, probably looks nice. Nice. So nice. Are you excited?
Yes.
Great. Okay, she's my cuisine expert. It's here. Turn right. Okay, here. Ni hao. Anyway, they were doubting the validity of my claims that I have the little
Here's the orange peel and the bottle water.
Thank you. I didn't understand. What did you say?
They didn't know. They didn't think maybe I was lying or something because I gave them my Chinese name.
Which one?
Judy Wei 女士. Wow, 这里有什么? So these are local nuts that are covered in Malaxiang ingredients, spices. So cute, oh my god.
这边是咱们的一个餐前的一个三冷菜，然后我们会建议您使用的顺序是从最前面这个开始，然后到这个到这个。
Okay.
然后
这样。
对的，然后跟您简单介绍一下。
A bit spicy with some peanuts. I'm sorry, all the chefs in the world, if this is not how I'm supposed to do it.
This is so good.
It has a texture of skin pig skin. Next is this tofu orange peel, and this I don't know what it is. Wow, with mushrooms inside, and it's sweet. Did you ever think about us eating at this fancy Michelin restaurant after that historical lunch had wings? When I asked the guy if he brought me the wrong knife for my shark. And now we're sharking. I think I'm not gonna give it any rest. I'm gonna have it right now. This soup looks like a Romanian hospital soup, but tastes like a French Cannes movie festival winner. So next we have taro, white taro inside with quinoa outside, and this is made of corn and potato. Are you ready? Let's try it together. Okay. Oh. They're playing with consistencies here, I think. The flavor is very subtle, but there's so many different consistencies and textures. I think it's just such an interesting experience to work your way through the dish. Since I'm a boiled corn lover, as everyone knows, I think we have a winner. The food is coming from protected areas, something like that. So we got one of the main dish, which is actually one of the most popular ones here. So what we have is spinach noodles covered with peanuts and a local herb, I think yatai, something like that they said. I don't know how to translate this. And then this sauce is made of peanut and sesame, and this is a spicy sauce. So they recommend that we pour this over this, and then depending on your preference for spicy, you just add a bit of spicy.
I'm very interested in this.
So this dish reminds me because it's peanut noodles. And the first time I had peanut noodles in China was in Xiamen, the first time I came to China. And I remember exactly the night after a night out, and we all came back to the student dorm, and we crossed the street and we went directly into a noodle shop, and we had like peanut noodles. And it was like a revolutionary experience in my life. You can't have peanut noodles and not have your life completely changed. Finally, the dessert. Oh wow, interesting consistency. Oh, it's yamainaido. It's gonna be one of the best things.
This is what I want to learn to cook.
Let's try these babies.
The sauce.
This is really not a dessert for people who love very sweet stuff. Very satok.
Yep. I wanted to say the same about the pudding. The sauce is the one that makes it sweeter.
Yeah. But it's healthy. What do you think?
I really like it.
Life is good. Life is good. So, one of the things I love in Asia is that you can enjoy amazing food for affordable prices. And I just checked, this place indeed has 1 star by Michelin and also has great review for its sustainability efforts, which explains why a lot of its food is sourced from protected areas. This has been Mission, and now we are going to the art museum. Its food is sourced from protected areas. This has been Mission, and now we are going to the art museum.